Hello everyone, welcome back to the Guide Up YouTube channel. Today for this video of Guide Up, I will be showing you how to add Hotmail account to Gmail. So to begin the process, you need to first open the Google browser and click open a new tab. There on the search bar, you type in gmail.com and press enter, which will direct you to the official web page of Gmail where you will need to get logged in. Once you have been logged in, you will be at the mail page. On this page, you need to click on setting over here and then click on see all setting. This will direct you to the setting page of your Gmail account. Once you're at the setting page, you need to click on accounts and import. Click that. Here on this page, you need to scroll down and click on check email from other accounts. You click on add an email account. It will pop out this box over here where you will be able to add the new email address for your Gmail account. And there you type in the Hotmail email address. Then click on next. You can either import emails from the Hotmail to your Gmail inbox or link the account using Gmailify. With Gmailify, you can keep both email address but can manage email from both using your Gmail inbox. So basically, you can choose the option which is appropriate for you and click on next. Now here you will need to get logged in into the Hotmail account of yours. Type in the password and then click on sign in. Let this app access your info, that is all the information of your Hotmail. Click on yes. You can now manage your Outlook account from Gmail. You can unlink this process at any time by going to the Gmail. Click on close, and with that your Hotmail account or the Outlook account which is same has been added to your Gmail account. Here you can see so this is how you can add Hotmail account to the Gmail. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Guide Up YouTube channel. Thank you.